Hello everyone, so welcome back to Ligem classes, and once again we are going to solve some MCQs on modern history. So here we are going to solve the MCQs on reform movements in southern India. So let's get started. Now before I show you how these MCQs are solved, let me show you where you can find these MCQs. So in your browser just type ligem.com, press enter. Okay, so as you can see, we do have free courses for RRB General Awareness, SSC and MPPSC. The courses are getting upgraded. Just stick to the part. Okay, so we have RRB General Awareness. So we click here, and as you can see, we have the English medium. Okay, that's pretty much obvious. We have to go to the English medium, and we have RRB GK syllabus. We have polity, history, geography, science and economy. So we are just going to click on history. Okay, so in the history section, you will find the ancient history, medieval history, as well as the modern history. So we click on modern history. Okay, so here in the modern history, we have to go to the chapter number 9th. Actually, it is written as chapter 14, but I have eliminated some chapters. So that is actually chapter 9, social religious reforms in India. Okay, so when you click here, you will be actually directed to this part. Okay, so this is the MCQ section. So we will start solving the MCQs on reform movements in southern India. So let's get started. So we have the first question: who was the Telugu reformer who contributed to the growth of Brahmo activities in southern India? So the correct answer is Kandukari Varsalingam. Okay, so the option C, Kandukari Varsalingam. Then we have the second question: who is also known as the father of modern Telugu prose of literature? So again, once again, the answer is Kandukari Virsalingam. Okay. Then we have the third question: when was the Theosophical Society in India founded? The Theosophical Society in India was founded in 1875. Now this is a very important date for exams like RRB. Okay, so the correct answer is 1875. Option A, 1875. Who was the founder of Theosophical Society in India? So the correct answer is Helena Blavatsky. So the correct answer is Helena Blavatsky. Okay, option A, Helena Blavatsky. If you don't know how to pronounce Helena Blavatsky, that's also totally fine, because you just have to mark the answer, Helena Blavatsky. Okay, then we have the fifth question: where was the Indian headquarters of Theosophical Society in India located? Okay, so where was the Indian headquarters of the Theosophical Society of India located? So it was located in Adyar. Option D, Adyar. Okay, who was the president of Theosophical Society in 1907? It was Annie Besant who was the president of Theosophical Society. Now, during 1907, she also contributed to many of the national movements in India. We will deal with that later, okay, because if we talk about that now, especially about her relationship with Bal Gangadhar Tilak and the rest of the part she played in the national movement, it will be very confusing for you. So the correct answer is option D, Annie Besant. So let's mark it, and let me just click on finish. So let's check how many of our answers are correct. 6 out of 6, 100%. Okay, so we have solved 6 questions, and all the 6 questions all are correct. Excellent.